With the conviction that natural materials are more elegant, the choice of brick as the main building material was easy, combining the traditional and the contemporary. We wanted the home to be easy to maintain and rooted in its location, said the owner of the Sitish Parikh Farmhouse. No fancy or glossy finishes here. The journey towards the house unfolds gradually. The first veil, an intriguing curved wall at the entrance, beckons silently. With the presence of a dramatic outdoor sculpture, it conceals the house from view despite the Jali in its center. The main door is out of sight, behind this wall, access provided through the path that follows the contour of the wall. Located on the outskirts of Vadodara, India, it was designed by the architecture firm Dipen Gada and Associates as a second home. The existing orchard and the minimum requirement of 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a dining area paved the way for a single-floor house in an L shape. Notable for its dual nature of being both inward and outward-looking, the house connects with nature, especially the playful element of the sun, through dynamic perforated brick screens and inviting courtyards. Inspired by countryside houses, the house has a sloping roof in RCC, reinforced concrete with fibers, covered with Mangalore tiles. The underside is exposed with wooden rafters. The interiors are an abundant and soothing white, with the use of native materials such as cane, lime plaster, and beautiful terrazzo. The living dining room features a semi-covered patio with subtle shades of green and a brick Jalis. Thus, even inside the house, there is a constant connection with the outside at all times. Long and slim bricks measuring 13 by 2 inches were used. Vast expanses of walls in this centuries-old material create exquisite patterns and openings. The wind flows, sighs, dances, and blows through this house, ensuring that the air inside never stagnates. The living and dining areas coexist in a spacious open concept space. The concrete dining table is pigmented teal green. Cantilevered from the wall, a tableau has been created by the positioning of tall wooden columns and more teal green on the floor below the dining area. The spaces have a soft, monochromatic character, occasionally accentuated by some vibrant paintings or pieces of furniture. The bar was placed on the veranda, allowing interaction with both indoor and outdoor spaces. An old carved wooden door serves as a backdrop for the bar. A shaded space on the lawn was desirable. It was found that the height of the house took care of that for most of the day. The veranda is the family's favorite area. It's where everyone converges to spend most of the day. During rains, it's a very magical space. Two beams extend from the house to create a structure that appears to define the boundary of the pool. They create a sense of belonging since they're connected to the house. Without them, Stepping out to the pool area could result in a feeling of being lost, as the eye can travel much further than the pool. Evidently, as the beams don't support anything, they have an emotional and psychological purpose. The L-shaped layout divides the public and private spaces into separate wings. The wide veranda lines the living room and bedrooms, creating a connection to the pool area within its embrace. In keeping with the open spirit of the house, the two bedrooms have only two walls. One side overlooks the pool area, while the other opens onto a private courtyard with a brick jali wall, a wooden deck, and a green pergola, through which the sun casts strips of light and shadow. At night, much drama is generated by the uplights illuminating the exterior brickwork of the structure. The warm earthen glow and detailing of the Jalis, together with the cobblestone foreground, create an atmosphere recalling a bygone era.